Looking for a safe, cozy and portable sleeping space for your newborn? Today, we are unboxing the Baby Gambling's Baby Nest bed. Let's open it up. The Baby Nest comes neatly packed inside a protective plastic cover. Once we remove it, we first get a pair of bolster pillows, followed by the main baby nest. The first impression is really good. It feels soft, well padded and comfortable. The inner sleeping area is made from 100% Premium Soft Muslin Cotton, which feels gentle on a baby's delicate skin. The outer fabric has a cute printed design, while the polycotton filling and mattress padding provide good cushioning. It also includes a soft head pillow for added comfort. Around the sides, you'll notice raised cushioned edges that create a cozy sleeping space for your little one. There is decorative lace detailing that gives it a premium look. One of my favorite features is the foldable mosquito net. It opens easily and covers the entire nest, helping protect your baby from mosquitoes while sleeping. When not in use, it folds away neatly, and the small decorative bow on top gives it a really cute finish. Overall, this baby nest bed offers a soft muslin cotton sleeping surface, a head pillow, 2 bolster pillows, adjustable ties, carry handles and a foldable mosquito net all in one package. If you're expecting a newborn or looking for a thoughtful baby shower gift, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.